us now examine what are the causes for infertility. One of the most common causes for infertility is congenital defects. Congenital defects in the reproductive system. There may be some birth defects in the reproductive organs, any part of the reproductive system. Another possibility is gonads may be defective. They may appear to be normal in their development, but they may not be able to produce the gametes. Another possibility is hormonal imbalances. Hormonal imbalances. Too much of variations in the production of hormones associated with reproduction may be one of the common causes. Another possibility is some diseases affecting human beings may sometimes bring about infertility. For example, mumps. Persons infected with mumps generally develop infertility. Persons infected with sexually transmitted diseases usually develop infertility. High blood pressure or heart related problems, heart related diseases may also sometimes result in infertility. And one more common cause can be psychological. The status of the mind of the individuals, family circumstances, too much of worrying about problems in life and related aspects may also sometimes bring about infertility. These are the common causes of infertility. Infertility can occur in between the couples. It may be observed only in males or only in females or in some cases in both. So one of them may be infertile or both of them may be infertile. Infertility in males is caused due to various reasons, and these causes differ with respect to infertility in females. One common situation responsible for infertility in males is a condition called cryptorchidism. If you recollect, while describing the male reproductive system, we have seen that the testes have descended down and are situated outside the body cavity for maintaining a particular temperature. Cryptorchism is a condition representing failure of testes to descend. So testes may, in the course of development, may fail to descend and come out of the body, in which case it cannot produce the sperms. Another possibility is semen volume may be less than 2 ml. Normally, the volume of semen ejaculated will be about 2 ml. If the semen volume is less than 2 ml, it may not be successful in bringing about conception. Then, motility of the sperms may be less. Capacity of the sperms to move about may be less. This condition is called azoospermia. Another possible cause is sperm count may be less than normal. Normal sperm count is about 20 into 10 to the power of 16 sperms per ml of semen, per ml of seminal fluid. So it will be less than that. This condition is called oligospermia. One more possibility is defective sperms may be more in number. The semen may contain more of abnormal sperms. This condition is called teratospermia. Another possibility is sperm mortality may be very high. Sperms are short-lived, so all the sperms in the semen may die before they reach the ovum. Sperm mortality may be very high. Another possibility is the male individual may be suffering from some infectious diseases like STD or mumps. And in addition to all this, one more cause can be impotence, inability to achieve the necessary erection. This is a disorder called erectile dysfunction, inability to achieve the necessary erection. These are some of the common causes of infertility in males. On the other hand, infertility in females can also be caused by various factors. One possibility is the ovary may appear to have developed normally but may not be able to release the ovum. Anovulatory ovary. So there is no release of ovum. This can be one cause. Another possibility is irregular and untimely menstrual cycles. This can be a reason for infertility. One more possibility is another possible reason is the uterus may develop fibroid cysts, a very common condition. If cysts have developed in the uterus may have to be removed by surgery. Another cause can be luteal phase defect, commonly called LPD. This happens in women who are accustomed to take medicines to bring about ovulation, drug-induced ovulation, that may impair the normal production of progesterone in the corpus luteum. So it is called luteal phase defect. Sometimes there may be birth defects in the reproductive system, and infectious diseases can also be a common cause for infertility. So these are some of the conditions responsible for infertility in females.